Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add on-chain to OKX. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, simply go ahead, first of all access your on-chain bot, and then right over here you're going to find this kind of interface. Now tap on this option of view registration guide. Now as soon as you've done that, you're going to find this kind of interface. You can see download OKX wallet to your smartphone, add on-chain to your network, and the first step given right over here. Now I've got to tap on this option of register given at the bottom again. Right, your OKX wallet will look like this, and it will simply redirect you to the on-chain afterwards. Now it's going to show this option of connect wallet. Now go ahead, tap on it, and then over here this is how the interface is gonna pop up. You can see connect wallet, and again sign message to register. Go ahead and tap on that as well. Now for the verification purpose, you have to tap on confirm at the bottom right. Go ahead, tap on it. Then you simply have to verify yourself by fingerprint or whatever you have added, etc. It can be your face ID as well. Provide it and tap on confirm at the bottom right again. Then you can see this is how the notification is gonna pop up, showing that your wallet is successfully registered for the on-chain token claim. Now go ahead, go back and open your OKX wallet. And from over here, this is how the interface gonna look like. From over here, tap on this option of manage crypto at the bottom. Then you have to tap on this option of network and go ahead, choose the network, add in the protocol, and add in the ticker name for your or the token name, and tap on confirm at the bottom again. You can see this is how the information you're going to be adding for yourself, and tap on confirm at the bottom. And there we go. You will find your own chain at the bottom registered and listed, and that is how you will be able to do so. So I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.